Welcome to my comprehensive review of Dubsado, the all-in-one CRM designed specifically for freelancers, creatives, and small business owners. Today, we'll take an in-depth look at the platform, covering everything from its standout features to its usability, pricing, and who it's best suited for. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of whether Dubsado is the right CRM for your business needs. To start, Dubsado positions itself as a tool for streamlining business operations. It offers an impressive range of features, including project management, invoicing, contracts, forms, and scheduling. Once you log in, you're greeted with a clean and intuitive dashboard. The sidebar navigation provides easy access to key sections like clients, projects, forms, and settings. One of the most impressive aspects of Dubsado is its ability to customize workflows. For example, you can automate sending contracts, follow-up emails, and reminders based on triggers you set. This feature is particularly valuable for saving time and ensuring a consistent client experience. The drag-and-drop form builder also stands out, allowing you to create contracts, proposals, and questionnaires that align with your branding. Dubsado's client portal is another feature worth highlighting. It serves as a centralized space where your clients can view invoices, complete forms, and check the progress of their projects. This not only adds a professional touch to your business, but also enhances transparency and communication with clients. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Be sure to check them out after watching the video. The platform's pricing is subscription-based, with a flat monthly fee. It's worth noting that Dubsado offers a free trial without a time limit, allowing you to work on 3 clients before committing to a plan. This is a great opportunity to explore its features risk-free. However, Dubsado isn't without its drawbacks. Some users may find the learning curve steep, especially when setting up workflows for the first time. The mobile experience could also use improvement, as certain functionalities are better suited for desktop use. Overall, Dubsado is a powerful CRM solution for those looking to elevate their business operations. It's particularly ideal for photographers, event planners, designers, and coaches who require robust tools for managing client relationships. If you're seeking a feature-rich platform with extensive customization options, Dubsado is worth considering. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews and tutorials. Your support helps the channel grow and bring more valuable content to you. Thanks for watching.